Hey guys, welcome to Money Menage's Wealthy Wednesdays, where I give you wealth tips in 3 minutes or less. Please make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment, and share the video with your friends. Today's topic is the dumbest things we put on our credit cards through financing. Now, hopefully you can pay attention with this big thing sitting on my face. Baby, let me tell you, everything they say is not natural. And I am not one of Atlanta's housewives. I cannot sit home and beat my face all day. I am a homeschooler, I am a wife, and I study personal finance all day long. So what you see is what you get. I do not have 50,000 times to record this video. Everything I give is raw, uncut, and no editing. We're not editing this. Let's get into it. The first dumbest thing that I feel we put on our credit cards is pet financing. Okay, you should not have to buy Ruru, Ruff, Lulu, and all of those on your credit card. If you have to purchase a dog, a cat, a rabbit, whatever it may be on your credit card, you cannot afford that thing. Okay, because then you have to pay for the food, the grooming, all the pet supplies, the housing. Baby. Keep Lulu over there because this sounds like another child that I can't afford. Number two, mortgage payments. Do not pay for your mortgage note with a credit card. Some mortgage companies have now allowed that. That is ridiculous. Let's say you're paying 5% for your mortgage interest. Why would you add an additional 20% to that interest? That means you're going to pay 25% to make one payment in interest? No. You'd be better off calling them up, advising them that you have a problem, you can't make that mortgage payment, and see what it is they can do for you. Moving right along, the next dumb thing to me is a car payment. When most of us buy cars, we either put the financing or the down payment on our credit card. That's just like with mortgages. Why are we paying triple the interest if you cannot buy that in cash, or shall I say, finance it with money down using your own cash? You can't afford that car. Move along. The next dumb thing to me is student loans. Now, student loans offer us so many options of repayments that there is no need that we have to put this on a credit card. So, in my opinion, you give them a call as well. Hey, I need to change my repayment terms. I'm not able to afford this. What are your hardships? There has to be something we can do and work out. I'm not giving you 25% of my hard-earned money to pay back a student loan. That makes no sense. And the last thing that I think is dumb, medical payments. Work out a payment plan. I'm not going to pay you interest for me being sick. There is no way, there is no how, no ma'am. Okay, so let's recover this. Number one, we have pets. We're not going to finance those because guess what? We can't afford them. Number two, car loans. We're not doing that. Number three, mortgage payments. We ain't doing that either. Student loans, we're not doing, and medical billing. We're not doing this. So now you want to go back, rewind this video, and play it again. Do not put any of the things that I named above on your credit card statement. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment on the video, and do share the video with your friends. I probably need to go take care of this. Until next Wednesday, take care. Ciao now.